Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 162nd edition release. Please forgive me because I am hoarse. Once again, I caught a cold or something and I do apologize, but I'm doing my best. Anyways, so today is the first day of her 162nd edition release. We will be featuring 7 new items today, and I will go over those in just a sec. If you would like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase on tomorrow or 10% on any of the other days. I think that's about it for now. Okay, so this is called Blooming Days Ephemera, and it is so pretty, and the paper is pretty that goes with it. I love it. It's so pretty. There's a couple things I wasn't able to use, but I tried to get it all in there. But like I said, there's a few things I didn't use, but there it goes for you. It's so cute. And there's usually about 3 to 4 each. I almost want to say there's 4 each this time, but don't quote me on that. But that's the ephemera, and here goes the paper. We have Blooming Pastels 2026. So these are really pretty. Here we go. We have this pattern paper here, and each one of them have almost the same front pattern. And then there goes the back. We have some cancellation marks and that beautiful purple. I thought this purple was so pretty. And then here we go with the blue, or it's like a teal blue. There goes the back side of that. And the green. There goes the back side of that. It's crackled on that green. There goes this one, beautiful pastel colors. And yellow on the back side of that. Oops, hopefully I'm in frame. And there goes like the orange color or coral kind of looking color. And then there goes that side, so bright. And then we have pink. And there goes the back side of that. Has a little bit of script writing and watermarks. Really, really pretty paper. All right, let's get into the rest of the release. We have more butterflies plate die, and you can check out that. Those are really pretty. We have a couple that's facing the same way, and then each one is a little bit different, as you can tell right there. Sorry about that glare. Then she has a pocket full of seeds, and that's that one right there. And then it also comes with this heart that's on the back side up here. Hopefully you can see it. There we go. Comes with that heart as well. And that you can layer it on top of that once you cut it out. It's up to you. But really cute. We have the round oval dies up next. Love this. I absolutely love this. And then these are layering dies as well. Tiny bows and butterfly plate, and you're going to want to pick this up. When I say small butterflies, oh my gosh, you can see my finger and how tiny they are. They are so tiny, and look at the bows. Several different designs on there, and you can definitely put those to good use. I love them. Love that. Next up, we have Where Flowers Bloom Stampin' Dies. And here goes the stamps. Sorry about shaking that, but there goes the stamps. And then we also have the coordinating dies that go with that. And then last but not least, we have the Scattered Dots 2026. And so she has created another embossing folder. Keep in mind that once the embossing folder is gone, it's gone for good. But this is so pretty. Hopefully you can see how that looks. It's a lot of little circles, little bubbled circles, so really like that. Okay, I'm going to try and get through this relatively quickly without explaining what it is. But these are the extra items that I used. We have the flower leaf die plates, cute wagon die, flower pot dies. No, I take that back. We have the garden stake, the garden stakes that I use. We have the trio cute bow dies and the cute bow die. And I think I may have used one of each. No, I think I just used that. Gift card pocket die, flower plate dies, foliage dies. I use those on there. Rain background die, rectangle frame dies, mailbox gift card holder. I also pulled out an oldie but a goodie, the clouds, slope, and snowflake stencil. So I used both sides of the clouds. We have the 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die, and I just use Happy Mail on that. Etch Z edge card die, and I just used the banners. And then I used a small piece of this paper here, which is from the Pastel Party 2026. Okay, I'm going to start out with these two gift card holders. So we have the mailbox one, and we also have the pocket die that she released a few months back. Still perfect to use, and they look beautiful with this ephemera. So let's check that out. So we have the gift card holder, so of course you could put something down in there. And then we have Happy Mail, and look at all of that glitter that I added onto that envelope. And then there's where I put that foliage die. I also used that banner there. And then check out those little beady bows. They're so tiny. And I added a little bit of gem in there, and then I used these other gems there as well for all the times you've been there for me. And that is from her new stamp and die set there. But I love that. Did not finish off the inside of the card, I just forgot to, but I'll add a layer from the inside for the inside from that. But really, really cute. And then here goes this other gift card holder, and you can just pop a gift card right in there. Check out that ephemera once again. I layered it on top of the heart dies that came with the seed packet dies. So I just put it right on there, and then I used some other pieces that went with the pocket. And then there goes that cute bow die that I added there along with the gem. Just so cute. Love this purple. It is so beautiful to me. And then here goes the last two projects that I made for you today. And I'm going to start out with this one here. This is where I use that round oval die. Love that. I also added that embossing folder right there. Bright Days Are Coming. That came from her stamp and dies that she released. And then look at this ephemera. Those boots are so pretty. I love them. I added a little butterfly from the more butterflies and plate dies, and then that's where I used that stencil. And I stenciled it up with Distress inks that I use. I believe it's Distress inks. Can't hardly remember. But then there goes that rain embossing folder back there. I love this. It's so pretty. There goes the inside where I added her rectangle stitch square dies, and I put a butterfly right there in the center. I actually forgot to add the antennas, but it's okay because it still is pretty. Then I added some gems to finish it off. Love that. It's so pretty. And then here goes the seed packet that I have here for you, and I actually popped that on a card. And then this is where I use one of the dies that came from the wagon, and I just put it right on there for an extra layering piece. Used her paper in the background. Also used that embossing folder. More butterfly dies. This is the more butterfly dies, and this one came from the butterfly and bows, or bows, little bows and butterfly die. So I just added all those around, and then I made a pack of ephemera. I made a pack of sequins to go behind there. And then this is some paper that I had in my stash. I think it's paper. However, it's 100% rayon. And so you can see through that. And I really love how that looks. I've been hoarding it for years. Never seen it anywhere else. And I actually found it in the Goodwill. But it's a 12 by 12 paper that was made by Provo Craft years ago. And I saved that. I love it, love it, love it. And then check out this boot. Oh my gosh, with that flower. And I have blooming just for you on that little stake die. I love how that looks. It's just so pretty. And I think I finished off the inside. Yes, I just put the stitch rectangle die in the center. But love that. Love, love, love it. Now, if you have the chance, make sure you go over and visit all the rest of the ladies, Emma's YouTube channel, everybody on YouTube, as well as on Instagram. Make sure you come back tomorrow, because tomorrow will be the day of the release, starting out at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Anyways, if you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase on tomorrow. If you want to go shopping a little early today and maybe pick up some of the items that you don't have, it's 10% off. But like I said, tomorrow is 15% off. Tomorrow is the day of the giveaway. So make sure you're commenting on everybody's posts, 18 years old or older, and subscribe to everyone as well. Don't forget to go over on Instagram, because you'll have 2 chances to win here or on Instagram, and check out everybody over there and leave a comment as well. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.